In today's market, customers are more aware than ever about food safety and quality. As a dairy owner, your biggest asset is not just the milk you sell, it's the trust your customers have in you. But how do you prove that your milk is pure and safe? That's where Chadda MilkTrak 4-in-1 comes in. Chadda MilkTrak 4-in-1 is specially designed for dairies who want to assure their customers about milk quality. This is your tool to build transparency, demonstrate compliance, and create lasting customer loyalty. With a single strip, you can test for 4 critical adulterants that concern your customers the most: neutralizers, hydrogen peroxide, urea, and pH levels as well. What makes this strip intelligent is that it also detects urea in the presence of neutralizers. You see the urea pad changes color even when neutralizers are present. So the strip includes a special urea with neutralizer color bar. This means you can identify if both adulterants exist together in the milk sample, giving you complete detection without missing anything. Let me walk you through why this matters. Neutralizers are added to mask soreness in old milk, making spoiled milk appear fresh. Hydrogen peroxide is used to artificially preserve milk to extend its shelf life. Urea is added to increase the perceived protein content when milk is diluted with water. And pH testing is critical because it indicates whether the milk is fresh or it has been tempered. Normal milk has a pH between 6.5 and 6.8, but adulterated milk often shows abnormal pH levels. These adulterants are harmful to health, and your customers have every right to know their milk is completely free from them. Now, here's the amazing thing about MilkTrak 4-in-1. It's incredibly simple to use, which means you can test milk right in front of your customers. Imagine the impact of that. A customer questions your milk quality. No problem. Just follow this process and you can show your customer right there and then that your milk is pure. Like, just by speaking, I am selling a good quality, I have a pure milk, is not suffice. You really have to prove this. So here is the process goes. Take a fresh milk sample in a clean container, open the Chadda MilkTrak app on your phone and tap Test Milk Now. Then choose the appropriate 4-in-1 test. Dip the Chadda MilkTrak strip into the milk for just 2 or 3 seconds. Don't leave it longer. Tap off the excess milk from the strip. Don't shake or wipe it. Place the strip flat on the card insert that comes with your kit as you are showing in the screen. Now tap Start Timer in the app. It will count down the required wait time. When the timer ends, tap Click Image. The app opens your camera with the alignment guides on the screen. Position the card as I am showing in the screen. Position the card so it aligns with the guide overlay. Then capture the photo, tap Proceed, and the app analyzes the result instantly. So these are the results as shown. It will be shown to your customers. The results are digitized, shareable, and can be sent directly to the customer via WhatsApp or email. You're creating a permanent record of quality. Each parameter has a calibrated limit of detection with sensitivity down to 0.005% for hydrogen peroxide and 0.05% for neutralizers. This follows FSSAI standards, so you are always compliant with food safety regulations. Think about the competitive advantage this gives your company. In a market where consumers are constantly worried about adulteration, you became the dairy that proves its quality. You are not asking customer to trust you blindly. You are showing them scientific evidence. This builds incredible brand loyalty. Customers will choose your dairy over others because they know you are transparent. There is a zero capital expenditure involved, no expensive machines to install, no trained technicians to hire, no maintenance costs. Every test costs just a fraction of what that traditional lab testing would cost. And you get result in 1 or 2 minutes instead of waiting for hours or days. So MilkTrak 4-in-1 is developed in collaboration with IIT Madras and marketed by Chadda Sales Private Limited. We have made professional milk testing accessible to every dairy, no matter how big or small. Stop losing customer to doubt. Start building trust with transparency. Make quality your competitive advantage. Get MilkTrak 4-in-1 today and show your customer that their health and safety are your top priority. So call on the given number on the screen and book your MilkTrak 4-in-1 today.